Today, the United Way of Southern Tier teamed up with local volunteers and businesses for its Day of Action. At more than 30 projects around Chemung and Steuben County, over 400 volunteers helped clean and restore the community, from painting buildings, restoring nature,
At the Tanglewood Nature Center to help with various items here like staining and weeding and just helping out wherever we can.
and a major focus on helping the next generation.
Valve, we associate ourselves with being the cornerstone of the community. We've been in the community since 1907, so leadership team here today participating at the Corning Youth Center. And we're out here doing some gardening. Just, it feels important to give back to our kids, give back to our youth, that next generation here specifically.
Here at the Southside Community Center in Elmira, volunteers helped a normally short-staffed team get prepared for the upcoming summer season that's set to see schools releasing.
We're short staffed, there's only 3 of us, so it's hard for us to get to all of the things that need to be done. And we're in the process of looking at reinventing this center and cleaning it from the inside out.
The volunteers around Community Center helped transform some dangerous greenery into a safe place for children to play.
Bushes, overgrown shrubs, things like that, and that, gives people places to hide, places to get injured with low branches.
With the help of over 400 volunteers and 2,200 combined volunteer hours, today saw key parts of the community gain major restoration. Dante Brown, Big Fox News, Corning.